GBM Productions. The volume.
So we're gonna need some elastic bands, some gel of your choice. You're gonna need a rat tail comb and a brush. And we're gonna get straight into it. You're gonna need a drawstring ponytail and also a half a wig or convert the cap wig. I would suggest if you have a TWA like me, definitely make sure you have your hair stretched. It makes it a lot easier to part. And not only that, it makes it easier to put in a ponytail. So all I'm doing is I'm parting my hair from ear to ear. This is a old wash and go that's dirty that needs to be washed basically. So that's why I'm doing my hair on this dirty style. So part your head from ear to ear. I would just say make it about 1.5 to 2 inches wide at the front of your head. So depending on the parting and the variation of this style, because you can do a bunch of different variation, I'm gonna start with one part at the side of my head, and all I'm gonna do is add some gel to the root of my hair, smooth it down, and then add my elastic band. You can use a black elastic band, or you can use colorful elastic band, or you can use white elastic band. I choose to use white because it stand out in my hair and you can actually see the style better with the white elastic bands, so you can use either or, which one you prefer. So next I'm gonna go in and part my hair in the middle, right in the center, and try to get that part as straight as possible, because that side that I'm holding with my one that I have my watch on, I'm going to make that the crisscross portion, and I'm actually going to slow it down so you guys can see it. So I'm making another part in between that, making sure I'm making an even part on that section. I'm just twisting my hair away. And then I'm going to use the comb and part that section in a horizontal line down the middle. One straight line down the middle. And this is how we're going to get the crisscross look. So once you part your hair down the middle and you make sure it's even, all you're going to do is twist some of the hair away from your face. And the way you get your crisscross look is you have to do each strand of hair to the opposite side of your head. And it will make more sense once you see me do it, because explaining it is a lot harder than when you actually get to see me do it. I'm making another part down the middle and evening out that part. So basically I have 4 parts on that one side of my head. So now I got my gel, I smoothed down the base of my hair. Now I'm gonna add my elastic band and put it on the base of my hair. I'm making sure it's not too tight because I don't like tight styles. And then I'm gonna make sure that the ends of my hair is smooth. Smoothing out the next side, and as you can see, that side is in the opposite side of my head, opposite part basically. So I'm smoothing it out, and then I'm gonna add another elastic band. The next clip is you're going to see is it slowed down so you can see it easy, and you guys won't have enough in any questions because it's going to be slowed down and easy for you guys to see and watch since some of the hair is out of the way. So all I'm doing is doing the same thing on the other side, but I fast forward it because as you guys know, I explained it in depth and I also slowed it down in the first clip. So you guys don't need to see me do it over and over in slow motion. because I want this video to be concise and to the point, and I'm also showing you guys two styles. So yeah. So if you have short natural hair and you have an old style and you want to spruce it up, this is a perfect way to do that. And I'm also showing you guys that it looks great with short natural hair. But I like big hair, so I'm going to show you guys it with a half a wig in the next clip. So I'm going to use this one. This is just a fro that I wear all the time, and I cut it to fit my head. I'm gonna show you guys another way to wear this style. And that's a headband wig. Put one of these over it. Look, like this. I'm gonna hook this right where the elastic bands are, making sure I'm not hiding. Let's see if it's good. So this wig have a lot of hair on it, so I constantly have to reshape it and make sure it's looking nice. So that's all I'm doing. I'm cutting, reshaping it, and doing a little bit of back combing the front portion to make sure that the lining of the converted cap is not showing and my fro is looking nice and even. That's about it, and then I can just go about my business. So as you can see, this is just another variation of the same style. I have one elastic band at the side of my head, then I have two elastic bands on the second portion, and then I have a crisscross design in the middle of my head, and it's super easy. All I did was make another part from front to back, and then I did a part down the middle. I grab my elastic band, put that on the base of my hair, then gel down the second portion, and then I pull that hair back that's on the first elastic band into the second one, and then I add my elastic band, and that's it. And you guys already saw in the other clips how to do the crisscross at the front. So it's just a different variation. You can use a variation of this style and you should be a-okay. All I'm doing is making a little bit of baby hair. And as you guys can see, my hair is up in a ponytail. And I'm sure majority of y'all know how to do a ponytail. just get your hair in a upright position and gel it up, and then add a scrunchie and you should be good to go. And then I'm going to add my drawstring ponytail. This is actually a convert the cap wig that I converted into a ponytail because I like the texture. It's a kinky curly texture and it matched my natural hair to a perfection. So if you want to use like straight hair or a straight drawstring ponytail, you can do that. But the ponytail that I'm using, I love, and it matches my hair perfectly. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. And if you already seen this clip, shout out to you because this clip was actually in one of my vlog videos. So until next time, I'll see you in the next one.